Elektro Vox today. I'm joined by Massive Ego. We spoke to Massive Ego at the beginning of the year when they released the album Church for the Malfunction.
It's a very nice review, thank you.
You're most welcome. So you can catch our written interview with the band and that album on our website, but we thought we'd catch up with the guys here who are playing Static Darkness. Mark, Scott, Nolliver.
Hello.
Oh yeah. Next weekend you'll be playing Chatham Folk Festival, which I believe is going to be your first time in Austria. And
oh, Vienna! First time in Vienna. I'm very excited. Yes.
So you're going to be going over there with Olga as well. So how did it come about that you got to that festival?
Loads of people are playing, like Lutango are playing, who we've toured with obviously. Just came through the record label. They contacted them. Just for it. Lots of people playing. It was on my radar of festivals and places to play, but yeah, I'm very excited. Never played Vienna. I think it's for me personally, it's all about going to different countries, different places in the world. That's what it's all about. If you have a backing track, you can travel. But if you have even better, if you have a band, you can travel. Because back in the old days, when we first started out in the band, it was all done off backing tracks, and it didn't have a full band. We have a proper band now. But back in the old days, my saying was, if you have a backing track, you can travel, you can go anywhere. But that's only happened since I've got a real band, so fuck that, no. You need a real band, not a backing track.
I mean, for sure, you guys have been going for quite a while now, haven't you?
Yeah, a long time.
Oh
God, 96 we started, and it's only kind of the last 5 years that's kind of really popped into place. It's only the last 5 years that Scott, obviously Ollie was in the band for 10 years, so that was previous to that, but it's this lineup that is the one that's kind of got assigned, and this is the current lineup. So yeah, it's been fantastic. So,
yeah, definitely. I mean, Church for the Malfunction has been an incredible album. Like, I keep saying it on my webpage and stuff. It's probably my album because I didn't discover Massive Ego until the album came out. I heard a couple of songs like, you know, Let Go and stuff like that on Beautiful Hillside, but never really the two connected. So if you haven't heard the album already, go and have a listen. How have you found the success of the album? Is that helped with all these bookings coming out?
It's obviously Beautiful Suicide kind of was our arriving point. That's what we hadn't released anything before that, apart from the I Idolize It single, which people seem to like. So it was that album that kind of made people think, okay, they're new, we've not heard them before.
And you think you wrote yourself, when you said you think you wrote yourself, right to that?
Yeah, right to that. Yeah. So
right to that.
That was the album that kind of put those, we're here, this is what we do. But the new album, yeah, it's a continuation, and it's more people have heard it, more people seem to like it, so it's a constant kind of stepping up the ladder, I think, for making people aware of who we are and what we do. So
it's quite interesting because some people that have discovered the second album haven't heard the first album, and then some people still think it's only the first album, so it's quite hard to reach everyone. Yeah, people discovered about different times, I guess.
Yeah, and I heard you guys sort of had a bit of a problem with your previous fan base when you started releasing things like Beautiful Suicide. They weren't that impressed.
Well, basically, the original band came from gay scene, the London gay scene. We did a lot of kind of high energy covers, like dance club stuff, cover versions of like old 80s songs, updated for that period.
It was more like Club PA based.
It was Club PA based.
Rather than a live band.
And that I knew wasn't going to sustain longevity in being in a band, because it was all about just turning up at a club, doing Club PA. I'd sing live vocals over the top of my own vocals. It was all a bit fake, So once we've got the proper band line up, now it's not fake, So it's going to take time. It's going to take time for people to kind of hear what we do and get used to us.
Yeah, the market that kind of used to buy those tracks, high energy stuff, hates this new direction.
Yeah, they're not keen on the dark stuff at all now. They don't really get it.
No, the ones that initially said, don't do this, this is really wrong, don't go in this direction. And now, a few of them a message saying, what's the best thing you ever did? So I think it just took a bit of time to...
Yeah, so this is kind of like the final form as it were for the band.
This is like Massive Ego version 2 2, 3, maybe Massive Ego version 3, because there's been a lot of members in this band over the years and different orientation, different lineups. This is probably Massive Ego version 3, but this is I'm happier now, where it is now, than what I was doing like 10, 15 years ago. So.
Oh yeah, I mean, your fans will know that some of your songs are about your previous lineup, I suppose. And,
I do delve into I kind of I like to write a lot of songs about experiences and people that I've come across, and my ex-band members kind of are a good source of lyrical content.
So you would say now that, I mean, would you say that being back when you started, is this definitely where you wanted to be, you know, now?
I can't complain, it's been fantastic. Since we actually signed to the German label, we found an audience that kind of really liked what we're doing, and that for me is everything, because 15 years in the wilderness where no one kind of really knew anything about us or didn't buy our music, to suddenly have a label promoting us in a market in Germany, you know, it means the world to me, because finally I feel like it's proper.
So you've mentioned in our previous interview that you thought over here the UK scene for dark music was kind of dying out. That it was kind of an uphill struggle for bands like yourselves to get anywhere with promoters. But now, in the last 6 months, with Static Archives, even Resistance Festival coming back. So do you guys now feel that 6 or 7 months down the line that maybe the industrial or the goth scene in this country is coming back to life?
I think it takes the right promoters. I think it takes a fresh kind of look at. I mean, there's obviously very famous promoters on the scene who have maybe been doing it a little bit too long. I think it takes fresh, new visions, people that kind of want to. I mean, look at tonight. It's a success, right? It's a new promoter on the scene. I think it's fantastic that this is like the first event in London. It can only get better. So
I think it's like anything. If you've been promoting for so many years, you kind of get a little bit complacent. Yeah, I think when you're kind of creating a new event, maybe you have more energy. You know, you can see that energy here, the attention to detail. It's really refreshing in this country, to be fair.
Yeah, it's definitely that level of professionalism we were kind of begging for, and now it's here. Speaking of promoting, I saw your first Scott's Travels video. Was it something along those lines where you went and played for a private birthday, right?
Yeah.
So Scott TV. So have you had a second episode yet?
No, it's I'm planning it, but it's very takes up a lot of time to do. But when I switched over to like purely editing on the go, like just with apps, it's just been so much easier. It's a great video.
So that was our first private party we've ever done. It was like a birthday party. The guy was 50. He was German, loved our music, and he booked us for a private party. We'd never done a private booking before. Didn't know what to expect.
It was literally in the mountains, wasn't it? In the middle of nowhere. So,
yes, it's called Wordle, I think Wordle, and it was in the hills. He brought all of his workmates that came, and they knew he had this kind of liking for dark music, but they weren't prepared for what we were about to do. But actually, they were quite pleased, weren't they?
It was funny because some people in the audience had their back turned to us initially, because they were just there as guests of the person whose birthday it was. They had no idea what the music was like, and then halfway through the show, they turned around, and then by the end, I really loved it.
And I sang Happy Birthday in German. Yeah, I tried to learn it, but I'm rubbish at German, so I had it on my it was in front of me. So,
I did see this video. It's a good watch. Go on their Facebook page and have a Google.
And now Living TV, well, it's got TV.
I said a word in German though.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
So basically, Scott's got one word in German.
Yes.
Which is
The worst word you could possibly say in German. Mushy. That's all Scott knows.
Is that something I'm going
It's
to have
really
to edit
derogatory,
out?
yes,
Your
probably.
German. I mean, I'm fairly good at my German, but I haven't come up with that word before. So.
You've probably been there a few times.
As I mentioned with Shuttle, you'll also be playing with Olga over there.
Yeah.
You guys helped Olga produce their newest album.
No, vice versa.
Vice versa?
They produced our current album.
Ah.
Yeah, Kyle. Basically, Kyle is based in the Northeast. I come from the Northeast. We'd done a show at Whitby, not the Goth Week. It was the Goth Weekend, wasn't it? We did. Yeah. And I kind of met Kyle, and I love Olga. I think they're great. They're a local band there. I liked their sound, and I just thought, you know, being a Northern boy as well, I kind of thought, oh, I can work with them. I got on with them really well, and so I just asked Kyle if he'd produce our album, and he produced the
It was a great
album.
collaboration.
It was co-production.
We really worked together, didn't we?
Yeah.
It wasn't like, it wasn't Lloyd, he say produced it. It was like a collaboration.
Yeah.
We spent a really long time. We spent a whole week.
It was just so easy to kind of work with because he's a fellow Northern boy and just could relate to him, and he knew exactly the sound we were trying to achieve. He was great to work with.
He has a lot of knowledge of like lots of different music genres, so people mention anything to him.
Yeah.
And he kind of knew like
He's young. He's like,
yeah, exactly.
he's under 30 anyway, and he kind of knew all my, I'm 50, so he knew all my 80s references. He was good to work with because he was like could just say anything to him and he'd go, oh, I know that track. And that worked for us because it was easy. It made sure we could record it really quickly. So,
Yeah, they're probably some of the friendliest guys around.
absolutely.
Okay. And in January next year, you start the first double lining So how did that come about?
We said to the label out of line that we needed to do our own tour because we'd obviously just come off the back of supporting Tango for like 2 tours. I don't think that's ever been done before where Tango one band was 2 tours, but we've done it. And we just said, well, we need to do our own tour. They suggested that maybe it's good to go to someone else that wanted to tour at the same time. Actually, Heights seemed to fit really well. We were from that kind of, you know, that synth aesthetic. So it seemed to work quite well that we would go out together. So that's what we did. It should be fun.
So the video Digital Heroin was very artistic. I've heard some people across the country say, you know, in their local pubs when they play DJs have your music video up on the set. So it's something we don't get down to time. Can we expect to do music video anytime soon?
If we can find the budget, yeah. I mean, it kind of costs money, you know. I mean, we kind of, yes, we've got a label, but we also kind of have to fund everything ourselves at the minute, for things like videos. That video didn't cost a lot. It was one afternoon. It probably cost about £50. I edited
We're quite good at making £50 videos.
Yeah, we're very good at the £50 video.
You made
Yes.
a set as well, the light.
We did. We made a set in our shed. We made a black backdrop. We put flashing lights in there. It was all very kind of low.
You know, I idolise your videos.
And we've got Communion After Dark here at Static Dogs, which you were a guest DJ for second or third time, wasn't it?
Yeah, twice. Yeah, twice I've done that. But I think Tom's playing, isn't he, tonight?
Yes,
He's DJing tonight. Yeah. I like it. You know, for me, kind of internet radio is podcast. It's kind of it's easy. You know, every week I tune in. I like it's a good program for the whole scene around the world because they pick all the latest stuff and it's fresh. So yeah, they asked if I'd do it, and it's probably my favourite internet radio station, I think.
Good plug-in. You played Skin, Jim Jones, was it? So I think quite a few people picked up on that. Some people hadn't heard them before, and they've just announced their first show here in December.
Yes.
Quite a lot of people sent me messages saying, can you please interview them, etc., because I heard them on Communion After Dark. So yeah, it's great that you've done that.
I think music is very exciting again. For me, I love the fact that she only writes lyrics about serial killers, and she's just really fresh, really exciting. The music's great, and yes, they're playing Elektrowerkz in soon, aren't they? I've got a ticket here, so I'd quite like to maybe sneak in the back door or something. I'll speak to whoever.
Yeah, speech memory,
We'll find a way. No, they're great. I think music's exciting again if you look in the right places.
Massive Ego aren't just a rock band. You guys are also very heavy on the activism towards animal rights. I mean, I myself was verging on becoming vegan until I got to know you guys, and then switching over to finally vegan.
Have you? you've come onto the dark side.
Yeah, definitely. It's nice to see that because you had a animal tracks, dog tracks. You know, you guys are very much fighting for animal rights. You know, you've got that platform to do it. So, is there a lot more to massive ego than this respect? How are you finding your success in using your music technically?
Well, I just think I'm not doing it for the public. I'm a vegan for myself ultimately because I don't want to inflict any pain on an animal, something that I eat. There's no need for that. So I don't think we really view ourselves as kind of using the band to kind of promote a kind of veganism. We're not about that. We just do, you know, we support local campaigns and local protests.
I just kind of do a bit. I mean, I've like on the t-shirts with lots of slogans and like, you know, typical meat is bird, animals are not ours to exploit. Just I say subtle, not really that subtle, but lots of people were like, oh, what does this say? You know, most German stuff, and I think that's my little attempt to reach. Spread the word.
Yeah, it's not what the band's about, but it's a platform that helps.
Yeah. So, I think it makes people listen, right? Yeah, it's a platform, right? So.
And also, HRH, you find it quite here in the Industrial Rock Music Festival. They're well known for doing, you know, metal and Viking festivals, etc. So, not only the first ever Saturday Dark, but the first HRH got. So, are you guys looking forward to that? And do you think it's going to be difficult, obviously, from London to Sheffield one day after?
No, I'll just go on the train. We always get the train with all our gear. The thing is, with us, we're very light. We travel with maybe 3 big bags. We've got the drums in one bag, we've got the keyboards in another bag. We're very mobile. We're a very mobile band, and I think that's quite important. HRH Goth, yeah, I didn't know anything about the corporation until I looked into them, and I see that they do all of these things. But yeah, it was nice to be asked to do it. Hopefully it'll be a big success. I love the idea of doing Sheffield on one night and then doing London the next night. It's a bit like kind of Live Aid, isn't it? Like Philadelphia and
you say that
Wembley.
I think the next day when you wake up with hangover.
And then you've got to get on the train to go to Sheffield.
Yeah, Monday morning. Yeah.
But it's a great idea, so...
it's great, it's like the second new promotion, isn't it, this year, so...
And I'm really excited because it's taking place in what was the old Town and Country Club in Kentish Town, which is now O2 Kentish Town. But for me, Town and Country Club, it's immortalised. Everyone has played there, Duran Duran, everyone has gone to.
Used to go there a lot when I was a kid,
Yeah, so what a great stage to play.
Yeah, it's nice to have that history factor. Also, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe you read a review when you played at Wave Gothic, and you considered getting rid of the buttons. And I think quite a lot of your Facebook fans, myself included, try to convince you otherwise.
And I listened.
Because, you know, art is art, you can't stifle it, and it's very much your signature look, just like David Bowie had his, you know, you guys have the look. So, you know, tell us about your look. I know you've already told us before in the previous interview, but tell the audience, you know, who are listening, why the look, what it is about you that's different.
For me, I put this on to enable me to kind of do the shows. Without this, I wouldn't be able to go on stage, I wouldn't be able to do a show. I use it as a kind of a camouflage, and it helps me get into a character to perform. Without that, I'm a kind of a nervous wreck, so it's really hard work. But the look is kind of, everyone goes Mickey Mouse, and it's not Mickey Mouse, it's kind of geisha, manga, all of those things. So when I did say about, I think I might kind of, because I've been doing this look for quite a long time now, and it becomes a little bit, for me, it's like, I would like to do something new, but I think people know me for this, and like you say, I put it out there and people said, no, you need to kind of stick with that. Whether I follow that in the future, I don't know, because I've done other looks, I've done the horns and whatever. But for me, at the minute, it kind of works. People know what it is. Who knows what the future will hold? I do have hair as well, different hair without kind of this.
I'm glad you have to like reassure everyone about that. So yeah, so who knows? Maybe you might come up with a completely different concept album. What's in store for the future? I mean, it's only been a short time since your last album, but have you got another one in the works? Got any other plans that we may not know about yet?
2020 is all about still carrying on, touring, doing lots of shows. We've got loads of festivals ready to be announced that are coming up. We've got a tour. I think probably we won't start writing until maybe the end of next year. So
There wasn't that much of a gap between the first and second album. I think it's good to like get the album out there and not keep pumping out new ones.
it takes time for me. I need kind of stories. I need things to write about. And when you finish an album, you kind of think, oh, do you know what? I'm kind of quite exhausted. I can't think of anything to write about. And it really feels like that for me. So I kind of need new adventures. I need to meet new people. I need to kind of get new lyrics together. So maybe by the end of the year, next year, and the year after, maybe I'll have those experiences and I'll have some new things to talk about. I can't talk about politics all the time because I've covered that on the current album. You know, let's wait and see what happens with Brexit, and maybe I'll have some new stimuli next year to write about.
Yeah, I was going to skip the political questions just in case we start getting on wire. But it's definitely a subject I'll maybe talk to you off camera about. But thank you very much for joining us, guys. You know, you look amazing. I'm sure tomorrow's show is going to look amazing. I've tried to convince as many people as possible to come and see you. So,
Well, we love Elektro Vox. It's a great website. Keep doing what you're doing.
Thank you very much.
It's exciting to look at.
Alright, well thanks very much guys, and thank you for watching.
Cheers. Bye bye.